Hey there, I'm Donnie Wologroski, Mobile Processor Marketing Manager at AMD. And today I'd like to talk to you about the benefits of AI on your notebook, how it works, and what it can do for you. Now, we hear a lot about AI and machine learning and how it's changing the world every day, but most of the benefits from deep learning neural networks are produced for commercial use on large-scale server farms, not our own personal PCs. For example, we might use a personal digital assistant like Siri, but our virtual assistants aren't powered by our home computers or phones. They're processed remotely, and they stop working properly when we don't have internet access. When it comes to content creation, it's true that people do need their personal PCs to develop and process their workflow locally. Never before have we seen so much content developed from the community of home users. Consider the massive proliferation of YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok, to name a few. In 2 decades, we've gone from a society that exclusively consumes content from large media conglomerates to a society that consumes just as much content from its private citizens. In this new world full of content creators, the potential benefits of using AI to enhance images and videos on your personal PC are huge. Enter Topaz Labs, a software development company that has fully embraced AI technology to enhance visual content, making it clearer, sharper, easier to edit, and delivering the finished product at a higher resolution. But how does AI accomplish these amazing results? Training AI is an incredibly complex process, but distilled down to a simple idea, it works like this. Let's say software developers have programmed a neural network that is designed to increase video image quality by upscaling it to a higher resolution. The developers then take a high-quality video and they make a second degraded copy of it by resampling it at a much lower resolution. They now have a high-quality original and a blurry downsampled copy. The developers feed that blurry copy into the neural network and tell it to enhance the video by upscaling it. The network does its best to create an upscaled, clearer version of the video. Then the machine learning magic happens. The neural network compares the upscaled version it created to the original high-resolution source video, and it looks for differences to learn how it could improve its upscaling technique. It now takes those lessons it learned, and the process is repeated with new pairs of high-quality source and blurry downsampled video. And each time it processes a new pair of videos, the neural network learns and refines its upscaling technique, and it becomes better and better at upscaling video. The more data you feed it, the better the neural network gets at its task. Topaz Labs leverages this methodology with a number of their widely acclaimed software packages, including Gigapixel AI, Denoise AI, Sharpen AI, and Mask AI for static images to Video Enhance AI for video content. Let's focus on the video processing results you can see here, which may be of interest to so many content creators at home. You can see the dramatic difference in sharpness and quality that Video Enhance AI software can achieve. Applying these patterns on a personal PC is, of course, computationally intensive. It's no small task for a high-powered desktop computer, but with so many content creators using laptops for convenience and portability, is this kind of processing even possible on a notebook? Well, the good news is if you have a laptop powered by a Ryzen mobile processor from AMD, then yes, absolutely. Not only do AMD Ryzen processors offer the highest core and thread count you can get in an ultra-thin processor, that's up to 8 cores and 16 processing threads to accelerate standard content creation workloads like rendering and encoding, but it also features integrated best-in-class AMD Radeon graphics, which can be leveraged to accelerate AI workloads. Now, why are AMD Ryzen mobile processors so fast at completing AI video enhancements? It's a combination of high-performance AMD hardware and the talented developers at Topaz Labs, who leveraged the Windows Machine Learning, or WinML API, to deliver an extremely fast, high-quality FP16 parallel processing method using the Ryzen chip's integrated Radeon graphics cores. Whether you're leveraging AI to upscale video from a low-resolution 480p SD to 1080p HD, or from 1080p HD to 4K, you can see that the low-power 15-watt Ryzen 7 5800U can demonstrate a huge performance advantage over the Intel Core i7 1185G7 processor, which is rated for a much higher power consumption of a 28-watt TDP. In fact, AMD processors are so fast at these workloads that Dr. Suraj Raghuram, the senior research scientist and leader of the AI team at Topaz Labs, remarked that some users have even reported higher performance on integrated Radeon graphics than they've gotten from some entry-level, dedicated discrete graphics cards. The benefits for AMD processors are twofold. Not only are they capable of completing AI-oriented video enhancement tasks, but they have a lower TDP than the competition in the ultra-thin space. And using less power can mean longer battery life for the user. Only AMD offers 8-core processors with a low 15-watt TDP, and that means that Ryzen is the only 8-core 16-thread option for ultra-thin laptops. In addition, only AMD can deliver integrated Radeon graphics processors to accelerate AI workloads. AMD mobile processors can offer higher performance, faster AI processing, and potentially longer battery life depending on the specs of your laptop. For serious content creators on the go, the choice is very clear. Get an AMD Ryzen mobile processor.